it says, should the following company with the year end 30 June 2019, so I need to note this year end for the shareholders number at year end and for potentially the average employees, be audited if the financial statements were prepared externally. So if they're externally, then I need to have a public interest score of 350 or more if they need to be audited. So we've got a revenue here of 214,853,000. So revenue is part of the calculation, and I'm going to have to put 215 here because I've got 214 million and then I've got a part of a million here, which is going to count as a 1 point. I've got trade payables, which is likely to be third party, so that would need to be considered. And then I've got non-current loan, which they haven't said anything, so likely to be third party. So these together would be my third party liability. So I've got 53 plus part thereof to give me 54, and then I've got part thereof here to give me 1. Guys, I only have that extra 1 here because I know when I add that to that, it takes me already into 54 and another part thereof. Okay, if this number didn't take this up to 54 and it was still 53.9, then it would only be 54. There wouldn't be the additional. I've got employees at the beginning of the year and I've got employees at the end of the year. So I need to add those together and divide it by 2 in order to get my average, and that is 70. I've got shareholders of 10, so it's 10. Directors of 5. Well, surely these directors should form part of employees, so I don't need to consider that. And so I add it up, is 350. So yes, they need to be audited because we've got 350 and they are externally prepared.